What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. So let me show you the best ever made multifunctional tripod from Ulanzi. Did you know that you can have this super stable, we can guarantee you, this super stable multifunctional tripod for just 800 pesos. And take note, meron siyang with remote control for 870 pesos. So sobrang sulit na siya. This is another investment of us kasi talagang legit yung mga recommendations and yung mga other reviews dito, lalo na ng mga celebrities, vloggers na gumagamit nito. So sobrang ganda, sobrang sulit. You literally can get more of what you've paid for. So, hindi ko alam kung anong reason bakit hindi mo i-check out to. If you're an aspiring content creators, aspiring reviewers, aspiring photographers, videographers, this is a must multifunctional tripod. Lalo na sa mga nag-travel vlogs. So, we have so many experiences na bumabagsak yung mga tripods namin kasi unstable. And yung grip medyo masakit sa kamay at nakakangalay. So what are you waiting for? You check this out, click the yellow basket, and let me know if this is really the best ever made multifunctional tripod for you. Because for us, this is the very best tripod. So, yun lang.